Hello everyone, welcome to my Python programming tutorial series. I am Wasif and in this video I'm going to introduce you about Python programming. Whether you are a complete beginner or just looking to brush on your skills, your Python skills, you are in the right place. But before we dive into Python, let me tell you a bit about myself. I've been a passionate about programming with 8 years of experience, and throughout my journey, Python has played a crucial role. It's a versatile, high-level programming language that's uh, that's widely used in various fields, from web development to data science and beyond. I have had the pleasure of working on some exciting Python projects, and I can't wait to share my knowledge and experiences with all of you. I create Python courses in Hindi language. So this is the free tutorial of Python programming in English. Now let's talk about the purpose of this tutorial series. My goal is to make Python programming accessible to everyone. I will be covering everything from the basics to more advanced topics, ensuring that you have a solid foundation to build upon. We will explore Python's syntax, data types, control structures, functions, libraries, and even some real world applications. By the end of this series, you will have the skills to tackle your own Python projects confidently. So, what exactly Python is? Python is a powerful and easy to learn, easy to read programming language known for its simplicity and readability. It's the ideal language for beginners because of its English-like syntax. Python's vast library ecosystem make it suitable for a wide range of tasks. So Python is a popular and versatile programming language known for its simplicity and readability. It's widely used in various fields from web development to data science and artificial intelligence. Python's easy to learn syntax and extensive libraries make it excellent choice for both beginners and experienced programmers. So here are some features I want to discuss with you. Universal, first class, and these are some kind of features I will explain it later. So, and I want to show you the example code of how to write a code in Python programming. Okay, so this is the basic syntax. This is the basic thing. This is the code of printing hello world. Hello world is a syntax. Hello world is a string, and a print is a function that prints the syntax and any variable you want to print. Okay, so this is the example code, and I want to run this code in the IDE, and I will explain what is IDE. IDE is integrated development environment. So what is exactly IDE? IDE is basically a code editor, and you can write code and execute and compile on that editor. It's many kinds of editor are on internet, so you can download any of you can. So I will tell you, and I will code in VS Code. VS Code is an editor like IDE. Okay, so we will perform basic operations on so that what is a string, what is assignment, what is numbers, and string operations, and many things we can discuss on that IDE. So that's all for this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.